This is how you break down a Sig Saur P320 M18 for maintenance and cleaning. First thing you want to do is remove the magazine. Make sure the weapon is not loaded. Good to go. Once you've ensured the weapon is not loaded and is safe, you're going to wrap the slide back and lock it with the slide lock right here. Then you're going to take this lever, see how it lines up with that notch there cut in the slide, that little half moon shape. You're going to want to flip that lever like that, and then you can go back, release your slide, and the slide comes off and you have access to the internals. Now, once you have your slide off, you can remove the recoil spring just by kind of grabbing that lip there, pushing it forward, and then it should slide right out. And your barrel should come out right after that. So those are the main components of the handgun. You could break this down further, but that's more third echelon. Mine is quite dirty. Figured I would give it a good cleaning. So 1 second and we'll put it back together. Okay, so once you're all cleaned up, to put it back together you want to grab your slide, hold it like so, and then grab your barrel, put it in just like that, and then take your recoil spring. Has a round side, has an oval side with 2 small holes. Take the round, perfectly round side, there, push in gently and push it down back to its home, right up against the barrel. So the only thing to note, in my opinion, the only thing important to note is that when you are putting the recoil spring back in the weapon, you want to have those 2 holes perpendicular with the earth. So the oval side will be up and down. So not like that. It wants to go in like oriented like that. And if you don't orient it like that, the slide will not go back on. Next thing you want to do, these notches here line up with those. So take the slide, put it back on the rest of the frame, line up those notches, pull it all the way back. You can lock your slide once again, send that pin home, and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys.